Каждая банкнота начинается задолго до того, как попадает в ваш кошелек. Ее путь начинается на специализированном предприятии по производству защищенных.
Is this your updated clearance?
Yes, I just received it this morning.
Very good. You may enter.
Holding steady at 500 meters per minute. The temperature on line 4 is fluctuating slightly, but within tolerance.
Indicators stable. We are maintaining optimal throughput on line 3. Watermark alignment is perfect on this batch.
Confirmed. The caliper reading is exactly within tolerance. Confirm the count on the latest shipment.
Yes, the system shows everything is accounted for.
Convoy 7, report status.
All units proceeding as planned. ETA revised to 0700H.
The city awakens. The morning shift begins at the central bank note facility. Only authorized personnel may proceed past this point.
Check the alignment on feeder 7.
It's holding steady at 99.8.
The subtle texture of the paper grain is critical. We use this precision.
The alignment is drifting slightly on the western feeder.
I see it. Rerouting to calibration sequence.
The ink adhesion here is superb, but look at the registration on this corner.
I see it. It's minimal, but we should correct it before the run.
The continuous manufacturing flow ensures flawless precision at every stage of the assembly line.
После успешной проверки материал направляется дальше по производственной цепочке для последующей обработки. Современная автоматизация помогает поддерживать точность и эффективность даже при больших объемах производства.
The intaglio presses are the heart of the operation, printing currency at incredible speeds.
Высокоточное оборудование обеспечивает стабильность производства и одинаковое качество каждой партии продукции.
Ensure the tension is consistent across the web.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Gantry 5 reports a slight alignment deviation.
Compensating remotely now. Looks stable.
This facility represents the pinnacle of high-tech manufacturing, where every movement is synchronized for maximum efficiency.
The efficiency metrics are lagging behind target on the B-axis.
I see that. Adjusting the servo parameters now to compensate.
Batch 47 initiated. Cycle time optimized. Stand clear of heavy machinery. Calibration complete. Material flow rate optimized for maximum efficiency.
The thermal output on coupling 7B is fluctuating outside parameters.
I see it. Let's initiate a level 2 diagnostic immediately.
Sector Gamma, line 3 calibration complete. Proceeding with transfer.
Transport 7, proceeding to vault. Security level magenta confirmed.
The throughput on station 4 is slightly below target.
I see that. Adjust the feed rate by 5% and monitor closely.
Zone C recognized the priority shift. Acknowledged. Diverting stream 7.
I'm seeing a slight deviation on this sample.
Let me see. The luminescence is off by 2 points. Reject this lot.
Utilizing advanced haptic interfaces, the team oversees the flawless production of these aluminum sheets, moving with absolute precision.
Sequence complete. Proceeding to alignment phase 2. Efficiency parameters nominal.
Sector Gamma clearance verified. Atmospheric scrubbers engaged. Welcome to advanced manufacturing.
Sector Gamma processing initiated. Conveyor systems running at maximum capacity. Atmospheric controls stable.
The registration is slightly off on this batch.
Adjusting the tension now. It should correct itself.
Check the watermark on this batch.
It seems consistent with the specifications, but look at this fiber alignment here.
Material transfer confirmed. Proceeding to automated workstation 3. The throughput on sector gamma is dropping. We need to adjust the calibration sequence immediately.
Rerouting power now. Stand by for the injection cycle.
Unit 7 engaged. All systems nominal. Production quotas synchronized. Sequence 34 is green.
Confirmed. Routing to Bay 9.
Component Batch 7, initiating transition to Hall B. Quality check complete.
Deep within this hall, the future of the nation's currency is being forged with hypnotic accuracy.
Scanning sequence initiated. Quality control check complete.
We are clear for the next sequence.
Acknowledged. The robotic arms are cycling perfectly.
Fiber distribution is uniform. Cross-check batch 42.
All units verified. Proceed to next phase. Look at the telemetry on the cryogenic systems. We have an instability developing.
I see it. Rerouting coolant flow.
Cycle complete. Output alignment confirmed. Check the manifest for Bay 7.
All green. Flow rate holding steady at 99%.
Batch 7B4 initiated. Scanning sequence engaged. Quality parameters nominal. Ensure the alignment is within tolerance level 0.001. Scanning sequence initiated. Quality control parameters met. Transferring data. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence on Unit 7.
All measurements are within tolerance levels.
Is the surface roughness within tolerance on this one?
Let me check the caliper reading. It seems slightly off.
Quality control check on line 4B, initiating in T-minus 30 seconds.
All systems optimal on sorting line 3. Acknowledged.
Maintaining standard deviation. Sector Gamma, assembly line 4 requires immediate calibration. All units confirm status.
Sequence initiated. All units stabilized. Materials are cleared for transport to Zone 7. Efficiency parameters remain optimal.
Теперь продукция направляется к следующему участку предприятия, где ее путь будет продолжен.
The finishing hall operates with absolute precision. These notes are now ready for final cutting and distribution.
The alignment on Unit 7 appears off by 2 microns.
Confirmed. Rework required before sterilization.
All systems nominal. Production quota met for Sector Gamma.
Energy fluctuations are stabilizing.
Reroute auxiliary power to Sector 4.
Confirmed. Flow rate is normalizing.
Cycle complete. Transferring load to magnetic staging area.
Manifest confirmed. Bay 7 is clear.
Sending next shipment now.
Security clearance verified. Welcome to the Apex Verification Complex.
Here in the Quality Control Laboratory, our specialists utilize advanced spectrometers and microscopes to ensure every note meets the highest standards.
Tensile strength data on Lot 4B correlates precisely with the sample results.
Verified. The calibration is well within tolerance.
The fusion yield is stable across all 3 replications.
Yes, the thermal stabilizers are working exactly as predicted.
The toxicity levels are still fluctuating in batch 4B.
We need to rerun the assay immediately.
I am logging the sequence data now.
Ensure the parameters match the protocol exactly before we proceed.
Align the sensor array to point 0.
Confirmed. The microscopic texture shows a near-perfect match to the reference.
The viral load indicators are stabilizing across the B-cell samples.
98% viability. We should proceed to phase 2.
The batch is approved. Move to cold storage.
Acknowledged. Automated transfer sequence initiated. Batch 7 confirmed. Moving to packaging level 3.
Here at the center, precision is paramount. Every note accounted for. Every shipment secured. Unit 42. Alignment confirmed.
Copy that. Stage 3 initiated.
Rerouting the vials to packaging station Gamma.
Check the manifest.
Confirmed. All parameters are stable.
Absolute precision, every time. This is the future of automated manufacturing. With the new system, we track every bundle in real time, ensuring precision from the factory floor to the final destination.
Warning.
Incoming transport requires immediate clearance. Maintain secure distances.
The automated system flagged this pallet.
Looks correct. The tablet confirms the location.
Attention all units. Please verify manifest data before proceeding to staging area B.
Manifest confirmed for shipment 724. Divert autonomous vehicle to staging area 3.
Готовая продукция поступает на участок отправки, где начинается подготовка к дальнейшему распределению.
This shipment to aisle 4 needs priority clearance. Can you confirm the status on your end?
Yes, the manifest matches the digital record. We are good to proceed. Automated dispatch sequence 7 initiated. All units verify clearance at loading bay 3.
Подтверждаю отгрузку 724. Маршрут оптимизирован.
Carrier 7B. Path clear to bay 4.
Confirmed. 7B proceeding.
Attention all personnel. Sector 4 clearance required for transport platform 7. Platform engaging. Stand clear.
Forklift 3. Move pallet 4B to staging area C. Confirm receipt. Signature matches. Quantity confirmed against digital manifest. Release for shipment.
Cargo manifest 7. Tango cleared for immediate transport. Proceed to loading bay Gamma.
Control, bay 3 cleared for loading.
Watch the strap on crate 7.
Copy that. Dispatching next pallet.